After your in-home installation is complete, we will revisit your home to permanently bury the temporary cable that was laid on the ground during your installation. This may take 2 to 4 weeks and is dependent on the completion of the utility locates as well as the weather. While you will be notified of this work, you typically do not need to be home for us to complete this activity. We will ensure that all underground utilities are located and marked using flags and paint that will fade or wash away. This helps us avoid hitting any lines when we dig. Please do not tamper with any of the markings to ensure your safety and the safety of our crew. You are also welcome to mark sprinkler heads, electric fences, or other objects we'll need to avoid on your property when we dig. If it was necessary to permanently bury the service drop prior to the in-home installation of your internet service, this post-installation step will not be necessary. Thank you for your support and patience during this entire process.